Hello. In today's video, we'll answer a frequently asked question. Can Parol and Ibuprofen be taken together? If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for support. Most of us experience mild to moderate pain from time to time. Painkillers are developed to manage these pains, aiming for high effectiveness with minimal side effects. But are these medications safe and more effective when taken together? Let's find out. Differences and characteristics of the medications. Parol contains paracetamol as its active ingredient. It is a non-opioid pain reliever and fever reducer. It is generally safe when taken at the correct doses, but can cause liver damage in high doses. Ibuprofen belongs to the group of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. It has pain-relieving, fever-reducing, and anti-inflammatory, inflammation-reducing properties. It is commonly used for conditions such as kidney stone pain, toothaches, muscle, joint, and menstrual pain. However, long-term or high-dose use can lead to stomach irritation, ulcers, kidney damage, and bleeding. It should be used with caution during late pregnancy and in people with stomach or kidney disorders. Effect of combined use. Since these two drugs work through different mechanisms, taking them together or alternately may be more effective in some cases. Research shows that the combination of paracetamol and ibuprofen can be more effective for moderate pain compared to using either drug alone. This combination may be particularly beneficial for toothache, menstrual pain, or post-surgical pain. Safety and dosage warnings. Be careful about overdose. High doses of paracetamol can cause serious liver damage. Ibuprofen can pose risks to the stomach and kidneys, so it's important to follow instructions and your doctor's advice. Long-term use of the combination may increase the risk of gastrointestinal problems and bleeding, so caution is necessary. For children under 16 years old, they should not be taken at the same time. If necessary, they may be given 1 hour apart. In conclusion, Parol and Ibuprofen can be taken together, but only under the supervision of a doctor or pharmacist. Do not use them on your own for long periods or in high doses. I hope this video has helped you understand painkiller use better. If you'd like to see more videos like this on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Wishing you healthy days.